precious gems, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun and exciting video for you guys. My top 5 hacks that I use with liquid lipsticks. So if you want to see what those are, please keep watching. Okay, so hack number 1, using a liquid lipstick as a color corrector. And this is something that you've seen all over the internet, you guys. You have seen girls use a bright red lipstick over their darkness, like underneath their eyes, on their dark circles, or around their lips, wherever they have pigmentation and darkness. You've seen them use this bright red lipstick to really just hide the darkness, and once they apply foundation it goes on a lot smoother and it looks almost flawless. So for today I'm actually going to be using I Amaze, which is a liquid lipstick by L'Oreal Paris, and it is in the number 130 I Amaze, which is this beautiful terracotta orange color. And as you can see, I do not have a lot of discolorization or pigmentation around my eyes or my lips. So I feel like instead of using a bright red liquid lipstick as a color corrector, using a nice orange liquid lipstick is actually enough for the darkness that I have, like a few pigmentations and a little bit of darkness underneath my eyes. I feel like a nice terracotta orange liquid lipstick is sufficient. The way that I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick as a color corrector is I'm going to take some of the liquid lipstick that comes in the wand, very little quantity, and my mirror's over here, so I'm going to look into my mirror and dot tiny amounts of the liquid lipstick underneath my eyes, and then taking a flat brush I'm going to immediately blend it. Can you see a little bit of an orange tint? That's all I need for my foundation to go on a lot more smoother, you guys. And you will actually be surprised by how amazingly these liquid lipsticks blend on your skin. Like, this just blends like a dream. So I've got a little bit of discolorization like near my eyes over here, as you can see, and also on top of my eyelids, just a tiny bit. And the advantage of using a liquid lipstick as a color corrector is that it will stay. The staying power of this liquid lipstick is actually a lot, and as you can see, it's not too harsh. It will stay and it really works well. So I'm going to be applying my foundation on top of this, and I'm going to show you the result. Can you guys see that my foundation is gone all smooth, and I didn't even use a concealer, you guys. If you feel like you need a lot more coverage, you could add on concealer on top, but my foundation has actually given me really good coverage, and I Amaze that I used in 130 is actually really good for hiding my dark circles. So if you're somebody who has a deep skin tone and you have pigmentation and you want to cover it with a liquid lipstick, you could use 115 I Am Worth It, which is this bright red liquid lipstick. If you're somebody in the fair skin tone and you want to use a liquid lipstick to cover your under eye circles, or any sort of darkness that you might have, or any sort of veins or something like that, you could use 121 I Choose, which is another L'Oreal Rouge Signature liquid lipstick option. And if you're somebody in the medium to medium deep skin tone and you have some darkness that you'd like to counteract, you could use the 130 I Amaze liquid lipstick. And this is just a hack. I mean, you have liquid lipsticks lying around and on your disposal and you'd like to use it, you can use it as a color corrector. So hack number 2, I'm going to be using liquid lipstick as a contour, and for that I'm going to be using 129 L'Oreal Rouge Signature liquid lipstick in eyelid. So this is actually a pretty brown shade of liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be using it on my cheeks like so, and on my nose lightly, and also on the other side of my cheeks. So basically places where I would like it to be a little snatched. Ooh, look how amazing that blends. So if you have any sort of, like a liquid lipstick or a cream lipstick even, and you'd like to use it as a contour, look at that blend. It's really good. You can go ahead and use it as a contour. And we're done. Okay, so hack number 3 is using your liquid lipstick as a blush, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already do this. You use a liquid lipstick as a blush, and the advantage to that is it stays all day long. If you're somebody who sweats a lot or you're in the sun a lot and you feel like your blush does not stick to your skin and it wears out throughout the day like a powder blush, you could definitely use your liquid lipstick as a blush. And today for my blush, I'm picking up all the shades of the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipsticks, because you could use all of these shades as a blush. Like even if it's something as bright as I Represent 114, or let's say 115 I Am Worth It, which is this bright red, you could still use it in moderation. Like a tiny bit goes a long way, and it really complements your skin tone also in a very, very beautiful way. One more advantage, especially because these lipsticks are liquid in nature, is that you could take a little bit of this and a little bit of this, mix it together to get your own custom liquid lipstick blush. I hope that makes sense, because you could just mix it a little bit and make your own custom blush. Or you could also do is, if in case you feel like this is too bright, you need to like tone it down a little bit, you could mix it with another shade, or you could use a muted shade like a nice brown shade. You could just mix these colors together and get, the color of your choice. I'm going to be using 128 I Design L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick as a blush. And I selected this color because it's that beautiful bright pink. And the way that I would like to apply my blush is on the sides of my face as to the center. I hope that makes sense. And I'm going to take a blush brush and I'm going to quickly start blending that into my skin. Like, it's stunning. I mean, there's no blush except contour. You can see blush and contour. So hack number 4, using your liquid lipstick as an eyeshadow base. So I'm going to be taking the 121 I Choose, which is this beautiful pink, blush pink, liquid lipstick, and it's the perfect base, you guys. So I'm going to just turn the applicator flat to my eyelids, and because then it will deposit enough color, right? So I'm gonna apply a little bit of the product on my eyes, and then I'm gonna pick up a blending brush and literally just blend this. And I'm gonna do this in a way that I just keep the product in my eyelid, and whatever's left on the brush, I'm gonna use it on the other eye as well, so that we don't waste the product. So for the other eye, I think I'm going to take a little bit more because it does not look as pigmented as this eye, because I never added any product over here. And I'm going to be very careful to actually just keep the product inside my eyelid, and towards the outer corner I'm going to make a small V. If you're someone who likes to keep it simple and you don't want to complicate it anymore, you could just leave it at this point. Just add some mascara and maybe some eyeliner and you're done with your eye look. But I would like to add an eyeshadow on top, maybe some eyeshadow in the same color family. I'm just gonna just dab a little bit of eyeshadow on top, and you can actually see how well it pops. Okay, so fifth and final hack is to use your liquid lipstick as an eyeliner. And you guys, this is just like, I don't know if you have tried this before, but this is just amazing, you guys. And for that, I'm going to be using 115 I Am Worth It, which is this beautiful bright red lipstick by L'Oreal Rouge. And I'm going to be taking a tiny liner brush, and I'm just gonna apply the liquid lipstick. Idea how beautiful and stunning they look. Look at that. It's just killer, you guys, and your possibilities are just endless. Like, you could have the most beautiful graphic liners created with your
do not worry.
And last but not least, you could obviously use your liquid lipstick as a lipstick. So I just thought I'd just finish off this look with I Lead liquid lipstick in number 129. It's this stunning sort of a brown, you guys. I absolutely love this color. Like, this has been my go-to liquid lipstick, like, if I'm going out to run errands or something, and it stays on my lips. The wearability of these lipsticks are just amazing. So on that note, you guys, we are done with our hacks for liquid lipsticks, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. And also, all of this hacks was created using the L'Oreal Paris Rouge signature liquid lipsticks. And I just want to tell you guys that these liquid lipsticks stay on for a really long time. They have an amazing color payoff, and they are available in so many shades. There's a color for each person, for every mood that you have, and the applicator is good. I have a bunch of reviews on these liquid lipsticks. Go check them out, and I think they worked pretty well to really complete this liquid lipstick hacks. And I would like to wish all of you a happy National Lipstick Day. I personally feel that a beautiful lipstick gives you so much power, and you could just feel so better about yourself, and you just feel so powerful, and you feel like you can just go out and conquer the world when you have the right lipstick. So I hope you guys had an amazing time watching these hacks, and please let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite shade of lipstick or liquid lipstick or lip tint or anything, you guys, anything that you use on your lip. What is your favorite product? Let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video.